Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today's drive continues along US Highway 98, also signed here as Navarre Parkway and concurrent with Hidden State Road 30, heading east-northeast as we enter the unincorporated community of Navarre at about mile 34 in Santa Rosa County. Navarre has grown into one of Florida's quieter Emerald Coast beach communities, with most development stretched out along this commercial corridor between the Gulf Islands National Seashore to the south and the Eglin Air Force Base Reservation to the north. As we roll into town, traffic signals, shopping centers, and roadside businesses start to line the highway, serving both year-round residents and the steady stream of visitors headed for the sand and surf on nearby Santa Rosa Island. Up ahead on the left is the signalized intersection with State Road 87, the southern terminus of a 51-mile north-south corridor that runs all the way to the Alabama state line and is commonly known in this area as the Navarre Beach Expressway. SR 87 provides the main inland connection from Navarre to Interstate 10 near Milton and on to US 90, giving beach travelers a direct route to Pensacola, Tallahassee, and points across the Panhandle. This busy junction funnels a mix of commuter, military, and tourist traffic, reflecting how Navarre serves as a gateway between the quiet residential neighborhoods along the bay and the busier regional network further north. A short distance east of SR 87 on the right is the junction with the Navarre Beach Causeway, designated as County Road 399 as it heads south across the Santa Rosa Sound. This is the same SR 399 corridor encountered earlier near Pensacola Beach, but here the state-maintained segment has ended and the designation continues as a county road along Santa Rosa Island, running east-west as Gulf Boulevard through Navarre Beach and then west through the Gulf Islands National Seashore towards Pensacola Beach. The causeway itself is a prominent concrete bridge popular with walkers and runners, carrying traffic out to the white sand beaches, the Navarre Beach Fishing Pier, and attractions like the Navarre Beach Marine Park and Sea Turtle Conservation Center, and it is a toll-free bridge today after tolls were eliminated in 2004 when the old toll plaza on the mainland side was removed. Beyond the causeway intersection, US-98 continues through the heart of Navarre's commercial strip with beach-oriented hotels, restaurants, and small shopping plazas set back behind shared entrances and driveways. To the south, side streets lead toward the Sound and the bridge, while to the north, subdivisions and local roads drift into piney woodlands and protected tracts associated with the Eglin Air Force Base reservation. Even with all the development along the corridor, the drive retains a relaxed resort town feel, especially outside of peak summer weekends when traffic can get heavy with visitors heading to the pier, snorkel reefs, and waterfront parks. As we approach the eastern edge of Navarre, roadside development begins to thin out, and the scenery shifts back toward a mix of low-density neighborhoods and wooded areas on both sides of Navarre Parkway. This marks a departure from the main tourist core of Navarre and brings this segment to a close as we near mile 43.1 at the Okaloosa County line, where US-98 continues east into Okaloosa County toward Fort Walton Beach. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.
Don't want to wait, just see if you stay away, they are.